Hey guys, it is Beth and I am back at it again with another DIY video, and today we are going to be making something perfect for Halloween. It is going to be an Oogie Boogie yard decoration. Check it out. We got a big old piece of wood, piece of plywood. We have a yard and a half of burlap, a big old PVC pipe. How big is this pipe?
10 feet.
10 feet? I don't think there's anything smaller. Big old piece of PVC pipe so we can, well, you'll see at the end. What are these called, Vladimir?
Rebar.
Rebars?
Yes.
2 rebars. Be careful when you touch them. You get stuff all over your hands, like rusty stuff. And these little things right here. Let me see if I can get it out. These little things right here. All right, I got the muscles of this operation. Putting the board upright, because I think that's how I want to do it. Y'all are gonna come along with me, because I honestly don't even know what I'm doing. Oh. I guess I'll do it that way. I kind of wanted you to turn it around. Don't worry about it. It might be better off that way. Y'all, I'm kind of getting afraid now because, okay, look at it. I don't even know if you can see it in the camera. I've only drawn like a little line. I'm going off a certain picture and I'll post which picture now. Okay, anyway, I guess you kind of have to be able to draw more than stick figures to do this. Maybe have like a little kind of artistic talent. I'm afraid. Oh, and I'm just using a regular black Sharpie, by the way, nothing special. Okay, this is the final sketch before we cut it out. I hope you guys can see it, the outline. I didn't use a projector, I just freehanded it. So let's see how it looks when we cut it out. There. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It could not have turned out any better. Now I'm about to get this burlap, and what I'm basically gonna do is fold it over it and then staple it with a staple gun. Okay, so I went inside and he already cut the PVC pipe and screwed it on. So the PVC pipe I think is about 2 feet long. Did he cut it?
Yeah, that's about 2.
Yeah. And he just screwed them on with these little thingies. We're gonna stick the rods in there and that's how it's gonna stand up and be secure. And so now we're using this bad boy right here. What we're gonna do is, there he is, drape this over it. I'm gonna use some scissors too, probably. And then staple it to the back, and the imperfections are probably going to be really good for this because it'll give it some more detail. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I've already done. So pulling the sides as tight as you can, stapling them, cutting. I cut like in here just to see. I'm really just eyeballing it. I've never done this before, but this is just half of it, and we're gonna see what it looks like in a minute when I get it all done. Hey guys, so the big reveal, actually not the whole thing is ready yet, just it took me forever to staple it, but let me show you. What? Look at the little Oogie Boogie feet and the little boogie hands, the boogie head. I cannot believe how it turned out. Also a tip, probably next time, if I would make another one. You see how you can see through that plywood had a bunch of writing and stuff on it. I bet if you spray painted under it like brown or black or something, it wouldn't show through. Hopefully I won't have a problem, but I ain't ripping this thing apart and doing it over. It took forever. Maybe like 40 minutes. But for me, that's forever when I got two little minions running around. Anyway, this is the back. I just cut the excess burlap off, stapled the mess out of it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So it is late at night. It's like 8 o'clock. That's late to me. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this thing up for you guys tomorrow, and we are gonna put that thing in the yard, and it is gonna be glorious. Hey guys, it is the next evening. Let me show you what I'm working on. Okay, so I had my Sharpie. I just sketched out what I want to cut out. I'm about to cut it. Okay, looking more like Oogie Boogie. So I guess this would have been good if I would have spray painted the inside black, but whatever. I just have some random paint that I already have, and I'm about to paint it. Alright guys, that was our DIY video for our Oogie Boogie that we made. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Hit it. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.